As I indicated earlier, SNMP uses an SNMP agent on the client machines that you're monitoring. Now I say client machines, these could be servers or your 2,000 client computers that are used on your corporate network. So the agent gets installed on all the clients. On one or a few management systems, I would run the SNMP Manager application that now connects to and monitors the SNMP agent running on all those client machines. There are four main types of information that SNMP can use, or not information, but frames that I might execute on a client. The first is the GET statement. An SNMP GET says, I'm looking for a specific piece of information, send this information back to me. So from the manager to the agent, I say, get this piece of information. The agent will then receive that request and will generate the response with the proper answer and submit it back to the manager station. The next statement that I might say is get next. Wherever we were a moment ago, go to the next level, go to the next detail and send me that information. Now, this information is organized in what's called a Management Information Database, and MIB, Management Information Base. In other words, we have this MIB between us, this pre-agreed, each of these details is numbered like this. So here's detail 1, detail 2, detail 3, detail 4. And we'll have this MIB that identifies detail 1 is this, detail 2 is that, detail 3 is this. So we already know what the next guy in the line would be. That's where the get next request comes into play. So I start at a particular object identifier and I say, get me this information, get me this OID, object identifier. Get next, get next, get next. And we will walk the MIB as I query the agent for more and more details about this particular machine. The next statement that I can issue to the SNMP agent is called the SET command. This is where I'm not going to get information, I'm not going to receive information back from the agent, I'm going to send information to the agent. I'm actually writing. Instead of reading, those are the get statements, I'm actually writing information to the agent. So this is where I might configure his IP address or his subnet mask or his default gateway. The last one of the four is called the trap. So we've seen so far get next, and set. The last one is the trap. What the trap says is, this is a pre-programmed event that I want the agent to watch for. And if this event ever happens, trap it and send it back to me. So I might say, if you see somebody fail to log on successfully, send me that report. This way I don't have to monitor 100% of the time. The agent is there to monitor 100% of the time. And just when this event occurs, send it back to me, the manager. So we've seen the get next, the set, and the trap. The gets are reads, a set is a write, and the trap is an alert, if you will, for some event that I'm looking for.